It's good with it, y'all. It's the morning. Not too early, but it's like 8 something. And I just figured I should talk to y'all, man. I haven't talked to y'all about, things in a minute. As far as like business and just the pursuit of what you want to do and all that kinds of stuff. Like the things that you're gonna face while you pursuing, entrepreneurship, or whether it's customs or whatever you want to do, videography, baking, catering business, whatever you want to do, man. It's gonna be some battles, and to be honest, it's more mental battles than it is in the physical. But yeah, like I was saying, like the mental part of it, man. Especially when you jump out there, bro, like, and you go full on with your business. And I'll talk about, when is it time? When is it time for you to go full time with your business and stuff like that? I'll make another video on it, but like the things that you gonna battle, man, mentally, like the fear of, can I provide? Is this gonna be enough? You know what I'm saying? Where the clients gonna come from? Are they gonna sustain me? Are the clients gonna keep on coming? Are they going to grow? Am I going to grow? All that kinds of stuff, man. It's definitely a mental battle. And even like with me, I've been doing this for years. I haven't had a job, like clocking in job since 2015. So it's been a while for me. And still, it's mental battles, man. My mental battles may be bigger than, not bigger, different than yours. Like, I'll tell y'all, just be transparent right now. I got orders that I need to do, and I'm in Nashville. The shoes that I need to paint are in Memphis. So right now I'm in Nashville trying to get my place or whatever. So for me to go buy, just go buy some more shoes or whatever, that's just not feasible right now, man. I'm trying to get my spot, so I can't go spend whatever amount of money I need to at the mall right now to get the shoes that I need to get. You know what I'm saying? It's like maybe 5-6 pair of shoes that I need to get. And today I'm supposed to be hearing back from the people about my house. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if they hit me up, I need to be able to get them that money so I can have my place here, so I can, further my life and do the things that I want to do. That's the dilemma I'm in right now. But I guess you can say that's a good problem to have, but it's a lot of pressure, man. I have a car note. I got other bills and stuff like that. And then on top of that, you got people breathing down your neck. Hey, where my shoes, or stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And rightfully so, they spending a lot of money with you, believing in you to give them a product. And you got to supply it. But the things that you going through in your life, it doesn't matter to them. I just got to be 100 with y'all, man. It don't matter at all. The only thing that matters to them is getting their shoes that they done paid however much amount for. You know what I'm saying? And for me, it's gonna be tough, y'all. Like, but for me, the thing that gets me through, I'm gonna just be all the way transparent with y'all, man, is God. God gets me through a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, just the mental battles and even mental battles within myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, can I keep this going? Do I want to keep doing this? You know what I'm saying? Should I keep on making videos on YouTube even though it's not paying me? You know what I mean? But it's like, I have a bigger purpose besides painting shoes. You know what I'm saying? So I can't stop making this content. I can't stop talking to y'all about the certain things that's gonna help y'all and further y'all. You know what I'm saying? The things that I've gone through that I wish I knew before I started pursuing this and everything. You know what I went through the pains of this. I'm still going through the pains of this. You know what I'm saying? I'm not rich, not yet. You know what I believe that it's going to happen eventually, but I ain't rich yet, man. And this is not just to be honest with you, me painting shoes will never get me rich. Now, me having a team maybe, you know what I'm saying? But just painting shoes, period, it can get you some good money. I'm not saying that. It can get you good money, but it ain't gonna, just painting shoes by yourself will not make you a millionaire. That's what I'll say about that. But you definitely can live good. That's what I will say. You can definitely live good. But man, I guess that's what I wanted to talk to y'all about, man. Just the mental struggles and everything. Just know, man, it's gonna be times where it's gonna get difficult to wake up and paint and have that same enthusiasm you may have had 3 days ago. You know what I'm saying? You may get tired of painting the same thing. You may want creative freedom, but you know you gotta get these shoes done so you can get paid for them. Or if somebody has already paid, you have to get those shoes done, or whatever you gotta get done. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be those times where you have creator's block and all that kinds of stuff, and you just want to be free and do what you love to do, and it starts to feel like a job again. But another thing that I do, I just gotta be honest, I talk to people with jobs and I listen to the things that they say and like the struggles they go through at their jobs, and then I ask myself, do you want that? Would you rather your problems or theirs? And every single time it is, I rather want my problems, because I know I can handle mine on my own. I don't have nobody breathing down my neck, really. You know what I'm saying? I don't have nobody saying, do this, do that. You feel me? So, if y'all gonna pursue this, man, just know you gotta have a strong head, man. It's gonna be a lot to bear, especially in the beginning. The middle, really to the whole way through, is gonna be a lot to bear, but the reward is way greater. The reward is way greater when you follow through. You know what I'm saying? When you keep that strong mindset and keep your head on and keep pressing through, because you're gonna make it out. You're gonna make it out of every single situation, and you just gotta know that, trust in God, and know that you're gonna make it out of this situation. You know what I'm saying? So that's being your dog today, man. I'm probably gonna record some more today, but this is probably his own separate video. But make sure you know what I'm saying, y'all keep your middle on straight, you know what I'm saying? And I'ma catch you.